High above the desolate landscape, a silent predator circles. Unseen, unheard, it observes, gathers information, and awaits its command. This is the new face of warfare, where unmanned aerial vehicles or drones are rapidly changing their rules of engagement. Join me as we explore the top 5 most powerful war drones in the world today. Our first contender hails not from brute force, but from its unparalleled ability to gather intelligence. These reconnaissance drones are the unsung heroes of modern warfare, providing a constant stream of information from the heart of hostile territory. Imagine a bird's-eye view so sharp and far-reaching that it can identify individual footprints from miles above. Operating often in complete silence, they can remain undetected for hours, meticulously mapping enemy positions. With this vital intelligence, military commanders can make informed decisions, minimizing risks for their troops on the ground. From the gatherers of information, we move now to the instruments of its application. These are the combat drones, renowned for their ability to deliver surgical strikes with chilling precision. Armed with a terrifying array of weaponry, they represent a significant advancement in military technology. Imagine a weapon that can eliminate a target with the accuracy of a surgeon's scalpel, minimizing collateral damage. Guided by expert operators, often thousands of miles away, they can neutralize high-value targets and disrupt enemy operations. They offer a level of precision and control previously unimaginable, changing the very nature of aerial warfare. Our next contender is defined not by its firepower, but by its stamina. These long-endurance drones are the marathon runners of the sky, capable of remaining airborne for astonishing durations. Imagine an eye in the sky that never blinks, tirelessly scanning the horizon. Powered by cutting-edge engine technology and equipped with sophisticated sensor arrays, they can remain aloft for 24 hours or more. They eliminate the need for frequent refueling, reducing logistical burdens, providing constant situational awareness to commanders on the ground. Their impact is profound. Stealth is the name of the game for our next contender. These stealth drones are the phantoms of the sky, designed to evade even the most sophisticated enemy radar systems. They are the pinnacle of stealth technology, virtually invisible to both sight and electronic detection. Imagine an aircraft so stealthy it can slip past enemy defenses undetected, like a whisper in the wind. Their unique design and specialized materials absorb and deflect radar signals, making them incredibly difficult to track. They can operate with impunity in heavily defended airspace, gathering intelligence and conducting surveillance. Their impact is chillingly effective. Our final drone, shrouded in secrecy, represents the bleeding edge of drone technology. This is the most advanced war drone in the world, pushing the boundaries of what these machines can achieve. Some whisper of artificial intelligence, others of hypersonic speeds, but all agree, this is the future of warfare. Imagine a drone capable of making its own decisions in the heat of battle, reacting to threats faster than any human operator. Still under development, they represent a paradigm shift in warfare, hinting at a future where machines may play an even greater role. The future of warfare will be shaped by the continued development of these highly advanced, increasingly autonomous machines. From the silent observers to the swift assassins, these 5 drones offer just a glimpse into the rapidly evolving world of drone warfare. Their impact on the battlefield is undeniable, but their influence extends far beyond the immediate theater of war. Could these drones be the future of all warfare? Will they make conflict more likely, or could they make it less destructive? Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of war drones. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.